Hello everybody, how are you doing today? Today I'm unboxing and showing my brand new Galaxy S9 phone. I know it's not an S10, that's the current one, but I'm going to show you the one I recently got. Got it for a good price. I figured, hey, why not? I usually stay one generation behind because it's cheaper and I don't need the newest phone. So as you can tell, I took the sleeve off. There is the S9 casing, or the sleeve, or whatever you want to call it. Here we go. Nice little Samsung box. Open this up. Okay. So, inside, you have this little Samsung booklet. Sure y'all are very familiar with it by now. You get your little pin and mobile care things. What else is here? Now, we're going to get to the main part of the video, which is, of course, the phone. So, let's get this out of here. There's the phone. Oop, as you can tell, I almost dropped it. Okay, get it out of the box. Nice and weighty, but not too heavy, you know? I had an S8, and that one's a bit more narrow, and feels a little lighter and skinny. This one feels a little... It's funny, it's off by like a millimeter. Phone's wider by like a millimeter. You really feel it in your hand, though. It feels wider just by holding it right now. You can tell there's the phone. Right? Nice, beautiful phone. Very nice. Feels good in the hand. You know, feels wide. I like the feel. It's not wide, but it feels that way. Let's take off the dust. Yeah, it's very, very nice looking phone. Feels strong. The bezel seems to be like reinforced with some type of, I don't know, aluminum or steel. I'm guessing aluminum's cheaper. And of course, what everybody's been asking for with this phone, the fingerprint sensor is right under the camera, right there. And then you don't have it on the side anymore, the S8. And yeah, it's a very nice phone. I'm glad I got it. Now it's an upgrade, not much of an upgrade. As I said, I stay a generation behind. So I guess when the S10 gets cheaper and cheaper, I'll probably upgrade to that as well. But in the meantime, I'll stick to this. So let's just turn this on for a quick minute here. Show you guys what it looks like when it's on. Boo, 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 boo. Okay. Powering up. Got your little S9 logo coming up there. Okay. Yeah, I got this phone for, well, $0 down, and then I pay $300 over 2 years, which is like, I think on the plan, like $10 or $15 a month. And after the phone's outright yours, your phone bill comes down, and the phone's all yours after it's paid off. So, hey, the phone retails for like $1,000, so hey, whatever. See how it's on now? Very nice. I like it. So let's boot this thing on. The screen is so nice. Oh my gosh, look at that. It looks so crisp and so clean. Like, it's ridiculous. Wow, that looks good. I really like that. I really like it. So, there we go. It's on. There's the weather. Oh, got an update already. What the hell? Let's do that later. The only thing I don't like about the newer Galaxy phones now is this Bixby button crap. I hate it. So they said with this phone, or was the S8? I think it's the S8. I can't remember what software up, Oreo or Pi or something. You can disable it. But I think with this one, the newest update for the 9, Bixby is mandatory staying on, but pressing Bixby once does something, and pressing it twice does another thing. But either way, Bixby's gonna be there. You swap between 2-button press or 1-button press. Whatever. Either way, whatever. I like the phone. It's very nice, very clean. Not a lot of bloatware on it, as you can tell. Not very much at all, very little. You have all your Google, your Samsung apps, your phone, your messages, your camera, themes, settings, etc., etc. And of course, you have that little tab on the side. You know, you just swipe across. Not bad. Very weighty, heavy in the hand. I like it. The bezels are nice and thin. But makes a big deal about the bezels. What else you get in the box? Get, of course, the charger and the adapter, which is right here. You get the adapter. Get headphones. And what brand is it? AKG headphones. Supposed to be good. USB Type-C. Adapters for the earpiece. Whatever. USB cable for the plug. That's pretty much about it. That's what it comes down to. It's just another phone, so I'm sure it's going to be very good. I will not be doing any drop tests with this phone. Nope. Also, I have to get a case for this phone. So if you guys have any suggestions for good S9 phone cases, let me know. Comment below. Put whatever you want to put down. You know, you're free to speech. Put your comments up. What you want to say. I hope y'all like the video, and it was short and quick. Just an unboxing of my new phone. So like the video if you like it. Unlike it if you don't like it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to subscribe. Don't want to subscribe, then don't do anything. Either way, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Peace out.